Hello everyone, Ignacio Esparza here. Today I want to show you my enhancement number 2. I want to start with the SQL statements. First, I have my PHP, my admin page running. Now I select the Acme database, the SQL editor, and I select the number 1 statement, paste here in the SQL editor. We need to add a new client in clients table. Go, and now we review the client table, and now here we can see a new client, Tony Stark, and with the client level 1. Okay, go to the SQL editor, and now we need to change the level of this new client to 3. Go to, and then I review my new client is now has the number 3 level. Go to SQL editor, and now we need to change. In this statement we need to change in the inventory table. We need replace nylon by climbing. Then go to replace. Okay, now I go to review in the inventory table. Go to the number. Here is climbing rope and climbing rope, and go to edit to review all, and down we find here climbing rope, but nylon is here untouched, and this one. Okay, go to the SQL editor, and now we need to use the inner join with the inventory and categories tables. Go, then we receive as a result 7 rows. Okay, go to the SQL editor, and now we need to delete from the inventory table the CCX car data. Here ask me if I want to delete this row. Accept. Go to the inventory, and then the number 7 was deleted. Okay, CCX car was deleted. Delete, sorry. Okay, that's all for the SQL statements. And now I go to the my connections.php file. Here is my code for the connections.php file. Then I want to test as we can see, all is working well, and go to the browser to review the page. Here is in the local host my repository, Acme, in the library folder, and here is the connections.php file. Open, and then I receive as a result an empty page. That means it's working well. If I alter or delete something in my code, now I go back to test the page again. Here in my Acme library folder, open, then I receive an error, server error. Sorry, the server experienced a problem. As a result, I open my code, open a new page here in the view folder, 500.php page. As you can see, is working well. I correct and test again. Here is in the open the file connections.php. As a result, I receive an empty page. That means it's working well. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for this moment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.